On today's episode of Know the Law, we're privileged to have with us a seasoned legal practitioner and an associate partner here at the firm in the person of Ugochukwu Kelechi Nemeka. Today's topic will be on trust as a tool in estate and wealth management in Nigeria. So, Barrister Casey, what is trust?
Okay, thank you very much for that one introduction, and welcome our viewers once again. So, a trust is a legal relationship where a person who is normally known as the settlor transfers ownership and management of properties or assets to another person who is known as the trustee, who manages such properties or such assets for the benefit of another set of persons known as the beneficiaries. So essentially, a trust is a tripartite relationship involving three major parties. One person who owns properties and transfers such properties to another person who manages the properties on behalf or for the benefit of another set of persons who are normally known as the beneficiaries.
Okay, Barrister Casey, why is trust important in estate and wealth management?
Okay, trust is very important in estate and wealth management, especially in Nigeria with our current economic and legal realities. In fact, trust is, as what it is, an unpopular tool for estate management. It's actually one of the best vehicles because of the advantages that come with it. The normal tool many persons know about estate management is actually the popular one, will. But one interesting thing is that the will only takes effect at the death of the testator because of its testamentary nature. However, a trust gives the person an opportunity to manage, direct, and handle your assets even while you are alive. So while you are alive, you can detect and show or expressly specify how you want your assets to be used and managed. So here I'll be listing out 5 major benefits. One is trust ensures preservation of family wealth. What does that mean? It means that you as a settlor, you can ensure that your wealth is preserved during your lifetime and even at your demise by just creating a trust. Number 2 is a trust ensures the protection of the interest of minors and vulnerable beneficiaries. So persons you would actually want to benefit from your estate, whether at your death or while you're alive. A trust ensures that those persons' interest is accurately protected. Number 2 is a trust helps you avoid family disputes after death. So at your demise, it's a sad reality. Everybody is going to leave the world someday. Yes, and it's good that you plan for your time after this place. So what is important is it makes clarity and express your intentions expressly known in the document. And it does not go through, now this is the fourth benefit, a trust does not go through the rigorous process a will has to go through before it can take effect. If you know anything about a will, you will know that there are certain fundamental processes a will must go through, especially through the probate process before a will takes effect. Number 5, lastly, is that the trust ensures confidentiality and it makes your wealth and your estate private because of its confidential nature. Because you don't have to do anything about depositing your trust deed in the public, even though there are exceptions to this, really. But generally, a trust ensures confidentiality and protects privacy of the family members and assets that are owned by the settlor.
Fantastic.